Welcome to Star Biker, your go-to spot for honest and thrilling motorcycle reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 250 cubic centimeters, a bike that's been making waves for beginner riders and city commuters alike. Let's explore what this latest model has to offer. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Ninja 250 cubic centimeters keeps its signature aggressive styling with sharper fairings, sportier lines, and a more aerodynamic silhouette. Kawasaki has updated the graphics and color schemes, giving the bike a premium, race-ready look that stands out on the road. Performance and engine. Powered by a refined 249 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the 2025 model offers a smooth power delivery with improved throttle response. The bike now delivers around 39 horsepower, making it a perfect blend of performance and efficiency for city and weekend rides. The lightweight chassis and enhanced suspension setup give it excellent handling, especially in tight corners. Technology and features. This year's model includes a fully digital instrument cluster, updated ride modes, and optional ABS for enhanced safety. LED lighting all around adds to its modern appeal, while the slipper clutch makes downshifting smoother, a big win for new riders. Comfort and ride experience. The riding posture remains sporty yet manageable. With its slightly raised handlebars and comfortable seat, the Ninja 250 cubic centimeters caters to both daily commuters and weekend thrill seekers. The upgraded suspension absorbs bumps better, offering a more refined ride compared to previous models. Fuel efficiency and price. One of the standout qualities of the Ninja 250 cubic centimeters is its impressive fuel economy, averaging around 30 to 35 km/L, depending on riding style. Kawasaki has managed to keep the pricing competitive, making it an accessible entry-level sport bike with premium features. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 250 cubic centimeters continues to be a top choice in the entry-level sport bike segment. With fresh upgrades, smart tech, and trusted performance, it's a great bike for those starting their riding journey or looking for an affordable, sporty commuter. Stay tuned to Star Biker for more honest reviews and two-wheeled adventures. Ride safe and see you in the next one.